I'm gonna give you guys a little preview of the wonders that I'm selling in my Depop. Little Miss Sexy over there is gonna be my model. I have a white one, I have them in black. This one in particular, I believe it's a UK4 from Topshop, and it's 72 viscose, 28 polyester. In general, I try to buy things that are either natural fibers or as good as possible, so this is as low as I will go. Viscose, rayon, but you will find that most of my stuff is either cotton, wool or silk, because it lifts better and it's much nicer on the skin. It breathes, you know. I'm selling these beautiful scarves from the Isabel Marant for H&M collection. I have these, I actually have 2 of these skirts braided on the waist, and they will fit like a UK 8. They're big on me. They were supposed to be a UK 6, but they're big on me. So your waist has to be over 62 centimeters, I would say, for these to fit you. I can send you measurements. Those. I have a beautiful dress that I never wore that I got in LA from one of these cool contemporary brands. It's just really shimmery. It's an extra small. It was $350. You can see it here. These awesome jeans from Levi's, and I got this made especially for me, and I just think that they're a bit too baggy on me, so I'm going to be selling those, and I'm keeping others that I have. The price is really good. It's only £40, I believe, and they're just, yeah, really fantastic jeans if you have a small waist and you want something baggy that isn't too skinny. Looks really good with like tight turtlenecks or crop tops. Awesome leather dress from All Saints. Don't think it will fit Miss Sexy, because this fits me pretty tight. And you can see the style of the dress, how it is. So it's a mini, it comes over my knees. This already sold, so I think I have to get rid of this, but I'll just show you. This is the Isabel Marant for H&M sheer top, which I don't wear even though it's beautiful. It's from Isabel Marant. It's really nice if you're a UK 8 or a 10, because it's big on me. It's always been big on me. Towel kind of fabric, and it's stretchy, and it's 75% cotton, 14% elastane. So just so you see the type of things that I said, there's a bit of everything. Here's a t-shirt from Dries Van Noten, really beautiful soft cotton t-shirt in kind of citrus and teal colors. So it's a really nice color, it's just not my color, and therefore I have not even worn it once. Yeah, so she's a bit bigger on the waist. My waist is around 60 and she's 65. So this will fit you better if you're a little bit bigger than I am. This really amazing dress from Antique Batik. It's silk. Have worn it maybe one time. I probably showed it on video because I'm so in love with it, but I'm just not wearing it. So this one also fits really well. I put all the videos online and you can check them out if you're interested. I have handbags over here. Everything is in their dust bag because I keep my things, you know, in really good condition. I have some from Lara Boeing. I have this artisan leather one from Ibiza that I'm selling at a super cheap price. It was originally $350. I have leather binders, agendas. These ones are my bags from Lambam, beautiful. You'll have to check my Depop to see them. I have suede jackets, several one of them, including one from Balenciaga, which I'll show you. I have these super cool heels from Topshop. They're brand new, I haven't worn them. Maybe I went to get a coffee one time, but they're just too big on me. And I have all of these really super beautiful pieces of jewelry from Monica Vinader. I have gold plated, rose gold plated. I have the Thomas Sabo collection, which I can sell to you at a really great price, especially if you want everything. Each one of these, they're all silver and they were kind of expensive. I have a watch from Toy Watch, plated with ceramic white. I have my Alexander McQueen ring collection. I literally just put these things into this plastic container, so they have not been here, and I'm not moving them, so they're not going to be scratched. Don't worry about that. I have several silver pendants. I really like this little vampire one. I have this that I got custom made on Etsy. This is a silver moon. These ones that I got from Harvey Nichols during my goth stage, and they're exceptional quality, all of these things. I mean, you know me, I'm pretty full on with my quality. This silver and blue topaz rings from India that my friend gifted me. This glass Murano rings, really super beautiful. This is a Swarovski crystal, so it's especially sparkly. Gold plated from Kabiri, a very nice jewelry shop in Marylebone. I have this one that I used to wear all the time. You might have seen it in my videos. It's a really amazing one for summer. I have this really sparkly stone. Love this stone, really nice. From Spanish jewelry brand Rabat. They're really sparkly in this gold metal color. Gifts, so I have these, like a leather, red leather card holder and wallet. Yeah, I have tons of this. This is from Isabel Marant, from the Isabel Marant collection, and it was the really cool pendant and earrings set. So it's matching earrings and a pendant. I have a lot of Lara Boink. If you're looking for Lara Boink, ask me because I might have it. This in particular are the famous Saturn earrings. I have the same ones. I just got 2 of them. One's to gift, and then I have not gifted them. They were sample sales though, so you will see that they're not perfect, but that's why I'm selling them at a much cheaper price. These earrings were originally maybe more than £400, I don't even know, because they're very nice designer earrings. And yeah, they're one of my favorites. I have them in every color for myself, and I have the matching earrings as well, the matching bracelets as well, sorry, and the cuff and the necklace. I have everything. I love Lara Boink. Her design is exceptional, and her quality is just really refined. It's like actual jewelry. It's beautiful.